Right now, you can see two BaseLinker accounts side by side on the screen. The left-hand side account has added the BaseLinker Connect integration, and the account on the right also has this integration right here. These two accounts are linked together. The account on the left shares warehouses and products with the account on the right. The account on the right receives orders and passes them on to the account on the left. Therefore, the account on the left acts as a wholesaler or product supplier, and the account on the right is a company using its services processing the orders. We'll set both of these accounts up now and see how this integration can be used to act as our main warehouse. We are currently in the account that is sharing its products. So here, in the BaseLinker Connect integration, a code has been generated and shared with the other account. Here, we can see that the orders from the other account will be downloaded and land in the packed status. We also have here other information, like payment status, shipments, and other information that should be passed on, which we discussed in depth in Chapter 4, Lesson 13. In the Statuses tab, we can connect the statuses of both accounts. First, intermediate statuses, then we have status mapping. Do we want to send order statuses? If we choose yes, then we can link the statuses which we have on this BaseLinker account with the ones shared by the other side. For example, sent. We can receive statuses in a similar manner, which means we can decide whether we want to receive information about statuses mapped from the other account into one of our statuses. Once we made all the changes we want, we need to save them. On the other BaseLinker account, the one that receives products but sends orders, in the BaseLinker Connect settings, we have information about getting access to that account. We pasted the code in here, just like it was shown in Chapter 4. In the Products tab, we can add a multiplier to the price and correct quantities which are currently available in the other account in their warehouse. In the Prices tab, we can set up price synchronization with the other account. We can also set up stock level synchronization as well as link the statuses. We can map sharing statuses, so here we have our statuses and on the other side statuses shared by the other account. We can also receive statuses. If an order appears in a status mapped from the other account, then this information will be passed on and a status change will happen on our end to the status of our choosing. The account that receives products can list them directly through any marketplace account. In the Listings tab, we can find the BaseLinker Connect warehouse and list any items available in this warehouse with no problem at all, even without adding them to our warehouse. This means, of course, then any such action would be automatically linked to the BaseLinker Connect product. If we, however, go into our warehouse and want to import such items, that is also possible. We can import products using the Import Products from an External Storage option by choosing BaseLinker Connect. Here we can import all the products, only new ones, we can update existing ones, we can import new ones without updating. It's a standard import just like from a shop or a warehouse. We choose the inventory, language, if we want to synchronize prices, stock levels, or download price groups. At the end, we click Import and then the items from the other account will show up in our inventory. Let's add a new order. On the order list, we click on Add Order and Create Order. We add a product to our order and choose BaseLinker Connect from the list of available inventories. We choose any product and add it to the order. Now we have the order added. Here in Personal Events, we can choose Academy. It's an event generated automatically upon adding BaseLinker Connect, which will send the order to the other account. So I click on Academy, and our order will be forwarded to the other BaseLinker account. Our order appeared in the packed status of the other BaseLinker account, as this is where we decided all connected orders should download into. The BaseLinker Connect icon is visible next to the name we gave to the BaseLinker Connect integration.